I think we might have found the most innovative boat at Miami Boat Show. This is the Lazzara LSX 67, and it has got one of the most amazing layouts of any boat of this size that I've seen. Come with me. Folding platforms here in the cockpit, but what is most amazing is the position of the owner's cabin. Check this out. This is proper super yacht stuff. Look at this. Full beam, tucked down here with direct access into the cockpit. This is just amazing for this size of boat. It really does feel like proper super yacht luxury. The finish is amazing. These boats are built in Turkey, feels very, very high quality. The woodwork is absolutely glorious. Ensuite bathroom here, but the really clever thing about this design is yes, you have direct access out to the cockpit, but you can get to all the other accommodation through this door. You can probably tell they've not given us much time, so we're rushing a bit, but I just had to show this to you. Twin cabin here on the starboard side, bunks here to port, and a very nicely finished day heads here on the starboard side as well. We're forward on the lower deck now, and you can see you've got this sunken galley arrangement here, dinette as well down here to starboard. Nice and cozy, but also open to the glass above, so there's plenty of natural light. And then coming right forward, this is your VIP cabin. A little bit tight here around the bed, but very, very nicely finished with its own ensuite, of course. You've got a television up here, lots and lots of storage dotted all over the place. And just pick up the finishing here. A nice use of leather work on the handles, that gloss walnut looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a very nicely detailed boat. Let's step onto the main deck. Moving up to the main deck, this is where you find the Helm Station. Now this is an IPS boat, it's got IPS 1350, top speed of around 33 knots, cruise anywhere sort of 22 to 27 knots depending on how you feel. It's a great helm position this, really nicely trimmed. You know, I've mentioned the finish and that definitely extends as far as here. Lots of nice leather, polished wood, stainless steel. Got your MFDs either side and the bonding screens as well for all your boat information. It looks really, really slick. As you can see, comfortable to stand. But both of these helm seats are multi-adjustable as well, so you can slide them in and out and up and down and get comfortable wherever you are. And it's got a sunroof as well, which peels right back to get some natural ventilation into here. Moving aft, internal seating area here. TV pops up from the countertop here on the port side. And you've got a little sink here as well, a bit of storage and fridge down here too. And then through these electric opening doors, through here into the raised aft cockpit. We've got the lower cockpit we saw earlier on. The aft cabin is right below our feet here. And what's quite nice is this slides across, this window also drops down, and there's a TV out here as well that pops out of this counter. So if you want to watch TV outside, you can do that too. But here you get a really nice perspective down over that lower cockpit. This is very nice and protected, quite comfortable if you're moving along to sit here. You're sheltered down there. When the sun's out, the boat stopped, put the panels down, and you have a really nice outdoor socialising space. This is quite a nice feature. It's got a custom-made ladder that stows away in the saloon, so if you're side two, you can attach this, walk through the boarding gate onto the side deck really easily, and then moving forward, it's quite easy to move forward as well. Symmetrical decks, these run up both sides, so it's quite an easy passageway up to the foredeck, and you can take in some of the shapes. It's a really striking looking boat from profile, huge glass area here, lovely big windscreen. It's very, very wide, recedes back a long way too to give plenty of light into the helm station there. And then you've got another nice living area out here. Sun pad right forward. Look at the detailing here. It's absolutely gorgeous. This gloss woodwork that sort of melds into the stainless steel. Very, very high quality feeling machine all over the place, this thing. And I like the canopy arrangement as well. A couple of poles slot into the deck and then it attaches over the windscreen to give you a bit of shelter. It's a novel piece of kit. Now that was a proper whistle-stop tour. I'd like to have spent more time, but it's a busy boat and they wanted us on and off pretty quickly, but I just had to show it to you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Jack Haines. You've been watching YachtBuyer.